What's up, YouTube? This is RDM37 coming at you with an update on Nagini's cage. Here's Nagini right here. She's a 5-month-old ball python, about 24 inches long. Here's her hot side. I have a couple vines, as you can see, right there, and some vines and a couple artificial plants. Here's your water dish, hollow log. Her humidity is at 70%. Her heat's about 80-85. I feed her 1 live mice a week. I don't have any right now because I just fed her. And I am probably going to switch back to the aspen snake bedding because the Eco Earth dirt isn't really working for me. Nagini is a pretty nice snake. She's going to be a future breeder with my friend's 13-year-old ball python eventually. And that his name is Raja. Yeah. So if you have any questions or anything, just comment on this video. Alright. Peace out.